Hi everyone, I'm back with another art journal video. So as you can see, I'm holding a junk journal that I created for Junk Journal January 2025 challenge, which is going on the internet right now. I will share the screenshot of the challenge on the screen right now. So this is the book that I have created, the journal book I have created, and I have used some of the pattern papers, some normal writing sheets, some A4 sheets paper with jelly print on it, and some printables which I have printed but I have not used, and some old book pages. So that's all I have. So as per the journal prompt 1 and 2, I have to create a cover, and then I have to create the first page with using an envelope. So let's go with the cover first because we are going to go as per the prompt. Okay, so I have certain items for it. So I want to give it a very vintage kind of look. Okay, so I have decided that I will create the end paper, this page today only. This one. So I'll just keep I wasn't expecting to use these pages for my art journaling because my art journal starts from here, because this is the page which I'm using and this is the cover. So I'm just going to think what I want to do with these. I don't have any plan for this, but I have added the base for it. So now let me start working on this one. Okay. Alright guys, so here's the close-up. This is my border. I still have some work to do, which you will see progressively with every journal page that I'll create. Probably I'll finish it in between, probably I finish it in the end, I'm not sure, but yes, I have to create a journal cover, which I did. I will add Junk Journal 2025 here later on. Then we have these end papers, for which I have not yet decided anything. However, as you can see, I have put on the base. Then this is our first January, 2nd January page, and here it goes. Loving how beautiful and vintagey greeny color this has. The envelope is right now empty. I have not added anything, but I will definitely going to add something when I find appropriate for this envelope. And here's the first page for 2nd January completed. Hope you like it. If you like it, leave comments below. Like it, leave comments below, share with friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.